Let me drop in Twitter as well, then we'll start. Okay, give me a bit. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Hopefully, you guys are having fun in the AI trenches. Hope you guys are doing well. Can you guys see the screen? Let me know if voice and screen everything is fine. Then we'll start. All right. I love seeing done for. I love seeing blood. Okay, okay. Cool. So before moving into stream, uh, let me show you guys. This stream is powered by Prime XBT. Do check them out. They are providing equity market, indices market, forex market with 0% trading fee, and also they provide crypto as well. And we are also running a giveaway. And in coming days, if you join via my link, which is also in the description, well, I will give you access to our like Discord server for at least 1 year. 1 year. So yeah, do check them out. We are running a giveaway, and we will announce like giveaway winner very soon. So yeah, do check them out and let me know how you like do there. Okay, let's start with the stream. Bitcoin. Let's see where are we right now. Huh. I'll look for the your live chart a little bit later. Let me just go over with Bitcoin, then we'll start with other things. Okay. So yeah, let me just delete all this, then we'll see. Can you guys see the view of screen? Let me know if it's visible. We'll come to that. We will come to all the AI things. We'll come to all the Solana meme things. Then we'll start. Okay. The background music. Let me just see if I can. 1 second. Hopefully it's good. When I'm talking, the music will be lower. Okay. Don't worry. So yeah. As long as I really like Bitcoin, since the last stream, it held the 65k level. But still, one thing that that is really like little bit of bearish for me regarding Bitcoin, that we are still pinning at the yearly value area high. Okay, like around like 68.7k. Also, we are retesting the quarterly value area high and monthly value area high as well. Weekly is little bit of choppy, but like I would really like for a full-fledged, like like whatever we say, like bullish condition. I really want Bitcoin to at least trade above like 2021 yearly high. 2021 high was around like 69,420. That high we need to flip. Okay. Till then, I think we'll simply just chop around here. A lot of leverage currently are piling in right now. People are getting liquidated left and right from here as well. And like it will be same, like the reason why I went to like shitcoining and I was having fun there, because like this will be the similar case until and unless the election is over. Okay, Like unless and until election is done, I think it will be around November 11, I guess. Yeah. So I think there will be some election rally or not, I don't know. Like if we have any kind of election rally, we already have done it, but I don't think like we are still having it. Like the shoots are basically juicing this market with, you know, like basis trade, like they are pinning the price around here, and this is very very like easy to like juice this market since they're running a nice basis trade around here. And also the risk takers, the people that actually trade with size, like they are not really ready right now, okay, because like huge liquidities are currently piling in around like 69 70k level, because that's basically the only resistance we are like we are having right now. So yeah, like for Bitcoin, I will be really comfortable like longing other alts, if we simply just make 69,420 level as a like support level. But we are basically at resistance, okay. Long story short, we are at resistance and lower down on leverage, because all I can see is people getting liquidated left and right, like here as well, like here as well, here as well. Like a lot of people are getting chopped around here and getting liquidated around here. So yeah, that's the only thing that I really don't like about this market. Reason why I was away from like trading perpetuals. And it was quite fun in the trenches, because like every day we are longing like basically AI meta, today animal meta, every day there are some new conditions to like adapt. But yeah, regarding Bitcoin, you need this 68712 level to flip, this yearly value or a high to flip, then we are talking. But currently we are at resistance, and I don't think there is a really good like risk reward. I rarely mention this term risk reward, because all I believe is that like dynamic RR, because like long the top gainer before it becomes top gainer, that's my motto, okay. But currently I don't think it's there. Like longing Bitcoin is currently is a really good trade, unless and until we flip this 68712 lower, possibly like if we get any kind of liquidation event, then possibly. But right now I don't think so, okay. Like it's for my perspective, that's all I'm talking about, okay. If we're talking about like monthly profile, as you can see, like this is basically all the monthly profile. And simply if we are holding this 65k level in the monthly, then we are good, okay. Like below here gulag, above here okay, like it's okay to like take risk in long side, but like lower the leverage, okay, because I don't think like a lot of people are like highly into like leverage trading right now, okay. Also also uh yeah, let's have a plain chart, because you guys are comfortable like with plain chart, right? So yeah, uh 1 second. Like the 4 hour momentum is already reset right now, and I would be really comfortable if we take out this high. Like I shorted like yesterday also, and like for a couple of scalps, but I'm not really interested in longing down here. But the momentum is reset. Like I'm not really like interested in longing. That does not mean I want to really short this market right now, okay. Like I don't have any clean invalidation, because you know, like I really think like we are taking this highs, okay, because this is a poor high. I will show you 1 second. uh, this is exo charts. Before anyone asks what chart is this, this is exo charts, okay. So this I am talking about, okay. Two consecutive like TPO print are around like 69,577 level, okay. So and this is also Monday, I can like Sunday or Monday. 1 second, let me just see. Yeah, it was Monday, okay. So yeah, so I really want to like price to like fix this high before like going into like shorting anything, okay. Or else I'll be comfortable like longing a little bit of flow here, targeting this high. So if we take out this high, then that will be really good, you know, like we will have a clean invalidation for any kind of like shorts. Like I don't really for intraday, I simply just trade like within this daily value area, high value area, low, if we get any kind of chance. But for any kind of like swing shorts, If we take out this high, then I'll be really interested, like taking any kind of like Bitcoin shorts. Like with all the leverage piling in here, like people will be screaming like, okay, 100K is here and all those sort of stops. And also like this initial balance. This is the initial balance, right? Like this green bar. Initial balance is basically the first 2 30 minutes candle, okay? Like if you have any doubt, this initial balance is still not tested, I guess. Yeah, this is not tested. Let me just see. This is 68956, right? So this high is protected, this high is protected. So if we test this initial balance, like this is the first 2 30 minutes candle, okay? So if we test this initial balance, then possibly a lot of like I expect open interest, a lot of longs, and both longs and shorts will be piling in here, and then it will be like easy to take out, okay? Easy to take out and easy to take positions around here, okay? Like I don't really like to like take trades when we are simply just chopping, like chopping inside like $100 to $200 range. But I really like, like lucky entries, likely exits, that type of trader, because I always like to take any kind of trades basically into liquidations cascade. In only I'm talking about Bitcoin. Like if any kind of like wicks, that I really like to take, like in kind of like in terms of like entry and exits, basically like likely exits, like front running, obvious number, all this kind of stuff, okay? So if we take out this high, then I'm only interested, unless and until I'm not really interested to short this market. Also, I'm not really interested to long right now, because I don't have any kind of like really good invalidation, because we could simply just sweep these into like tag 66 450 level. This type of like lows will be really like is really nice, but still a lot of leverage is currently in this market right now. So this is the like Bitcoin for Bitcoin. And also you can see like how many leverages currently piling in here. Even people not really giving up, they are simply just longing every dip right now. So yeah, that's for Bitcoin. And so yeah, don't really get liquidated without like before any kind of like bull run, okay? What is this, bro? This is exo charts, okay? Yeah. Also like this is a clean range, okay? Like let me just show you. Like we are trading inside this clean range, you can see, okay? So trading inside this clean range, okay? So like when we have these type of highs, I really don't like to like have shorts with stop loss above, we could simply just do this, like you can see like how we are protecting all these lows, these highs, so price is basically pinning down here, okay? And like we always do this, like when market makers like when all the like limit orders are getting like little bit of tighter, like going into any kind of like news event. That's the reason why we always have this type of like triangular shape, right? Like we always have this type of like triangular shape going into news event. And your favorite ta guru will tell you that, okay, this is the type of like a move that always happen in a stock market or crypto market. No, you are dumb, okay? Nothing like that. It's basically like the limit orders are getting squeezed, because people like obviously, like there are two types of like trades, right? Market orders and limit orders, like passive and active liquidity, okay? So when liquidity gets like tighten up, that's the reason why we get these type of like triangular shape, okay? Because like when someone quotes price around here, like when someone quotes price around like little bit of like here, then when market goes around here, there will be like limit orders around here. There is a reason why we get such type of like triangular shape of like price action, okay? But like people always say that, okay, this is the bull flag, this is the bearish flag, and all those blah blah blah. But yeah, the reason why we have this type of price action, because of the liquidity, okay? Like a lot of liquidity are piling in around here and here. Like market is basically like tightening up before a news event. Okay, so you always end up like either here or here, this type of move. Okay, SCRT USDT. Yeah, we will go to the alt charts little bit of later. I want to discuss one more important part. Okay, that's why. First we'll discuss that, then we'll see. ETH BTC. One second. What do you guys think about ETH BTC? Like, do you think ETH BTC low is in or ETH is going to zero? It's a failed school project. What do you guys think? Because this is very much interesting topic, you know. Like, I want to know, like, I want to understand, like, what people actually think about ETH BTC. Is the ETH BTC low is in, or if ETH is simply just going to $1,000, or ETH will never breach all-time high? What do you guys think about ETH? AI2 Jungle Safari. Let me know about your thoughts, okay? Like, I want to understand like what people actually think about ETH, because in Twitter all I can see is like you could outperform the entire stock market if you sold ETH on January 1st 2024 and just long sold 2 days ago, long popcat 2 days ago. I mean, I'm not an ETH maxi, okay? Don't get me wrong. My half of, like more than half of my portfolio are currently in Sol. So don't get me wrong. I'm not an ETH maxi. But we are yeah, it's weak fundamental. I agree. I completely agree. But chart wise, what do you guys think? Like, is the ETH BTC bottom is in or not? Because we are at the lowest. We are at the lowest of sentiment in ETH. We are going to flip it. What will flip it? Monthly chart. Let me do the monthly chart. I mean, momentum wise, like I agree. Like there is a lot of other like lower momentum as well. But what do you guys think? Like, ETH is in a 20% raise. Low is in. Monthly demand is still lower for ETH BTC, but coming close now. Okay. Like this is a support level, okay? Like 0.3671 and whatever the shit is. We bounced off this support, okay? Like honestly, if you ask me, I have no idea, okay? Like if whether the ETH BTC, like if this is the low, or we will simply just chop around here then pump, or if we simply just do this, I don't know, okay? But there is an interesting, very interesting sentiment going around here. This is the yearly trend line for ETH, okay? ETH BTC, sorry. This is a yearly, like year-long trend line, okay? I'm not a trend line trader. Sometimes I become to fit my bias, but yeah, that's it. Every ETH I long, either I round trip or loss. Same year. I mean, I'm currently also long ETH right now. But yeah, I know I will round trip. Don't worry about it. What I feel about ETH BTC is like we are basically at the lows, like at a very crucial support level, at a very interesting time, you know, like the like lot of leverage is currently in the Bitcoin, okay? Solana market is also cooked, like a lot of like leverage in Solana as well, okay? I was long Solana, but I sold half of my spot like yesterday and today. But you know, like ETH, the open interest is very like not at the highest, okay? People are getting like little like ETH maxes are getting slaughtered in like timeline for getting ETH, okay? So, like sentiment wise, ETH BTC at the lowest and ETH USD is also at the lowest. Okay. So what I feel like time wise, this is really, really nice, but you cannot really time this bottom. Okay. So what I feel like is like if like even ETH USDT has a 4 hour bull dip as well. If you go with the line chart, okay, that's a 4 hour. I was like I was interested in longer because this has a 4 hour bull dip. That's it. No, no, like even the ETH BTC also I looked, but again, like I have lost a ton looking at ETH BTC chart. So yeah, but like what I feel like for let me just what I feel for ETH is like we already rejected of this weekly momentum, like weekly RSI, right? Also the previous week high is also swept. Okay, the previous week high is also swept. Okay, so logically speaking, ETH USD wants lower, but ETH BTC are basically at the support. Okay, so if you're interested in like longing ETH BTC, you should actually consult a doctor. Okay, that's it. But again, like if you really want to see like when you want to like or like where I'll be comfortably long ETH, this is the uh, this is basically a clean SR level. Okay, so all I want ETH to be completely bullish, like at least like if I'm if I'm like watching this 2819 level. Okay, this level, like I don't even think like ETH could run this high. But again, let me just go over with monthly. 1 second. Yes. So what I feel like we got rejected around previous quarter like view up. Okay, so currently we are chopping around the current quarter view up. Okay, so if ETH can hold this like with Bitcoin like little bit of bearish, like Bitcoin is of course if it is it's currently bearish. If ETH can hold this view up, okay, we have a chance to at least fill this inefficiency. Okay, like this 2600 inefficiency around like here, the breakdown candle. Okay, so what I feel like, at least if you are like a bullish in lower time frame, I don't agree that it's ideal to short like ETH right now. Like you have better short in other alts, but I feel like we could at least tag here like 2630. Okay, then we'll talk about that. Okay, we are basically at resistance right now, but I think at least ETH should tag here like before nuking like a little bit of lower. Okay, and I think like if ETH BTC at least like make a little bit of like bottom around here, then ETH we will have this type of like another leg up like from here to here, then possibly a little bit of choppy, then I don't know, like we could simply just tag 2700 as well. But I think logically speaking, one more ETH BTC rally is due. Like if we talk about like completely like nuking this market, like of course like everyone knows that we will have like election nuke, right? Like because I don't know, like I have never traded election like actively in terms of like crypto. So everyone talks about like we will sell off like post election and whatever the shit is. But yeah, like if the election trade is like currently pricing in, then I don't think, because like a lot of liquidity is currently piling in around like 69 to 70k level, and I don't think like the risk takers are ready to like pile in right now. Okay, so the election trade is not really done. So if we have one more rally, then I think ETH will be the next. Okay, that's basically my narrative. And we could simply like it's funny, like we are talking about like what, like $100 pump, okay, from here to here. But like this is a failed school project. But yeah, like if we are talking about like ETH like rallying for at least one more time, then it's logical to speak like ETH beta, all the beta asset like lot of beta assets are there. Okay, like Pepe is my favorite ETH beta asset, and then another one is like ETH W. Not a lot of people talk about this. EPC is also there. Okay. And I think these three I really like. I don't really like LDO and Optimism, but yeah, watch out for these three. I really like Pepe being the like nicest, like ETH as like ETH beta. But yeah, if you like, if you're betting on like this level to hold and like ETH BTC one more rally, then I think it like logically speaking, ETH and all these ETH beta assets should perform really well. Then we will nuke like full-fledged nuke in every kind of market. Okay, so yeah, this is my like narrative. Because if you're talking about like okay, like I think Bitcoin is stopped, we will simply just go to like 64k, 63k, like 64, or like sweeping the 65k like bottom, then yeah, it's logically like speaking like ETH BTC one more rally, then we could simply just nuke. Okay, so this is my thesis on like ETH and ETH BTC. So yeah, what is the indicator that is making red and green boxes? That is fair value gap. Anke's fair value gap. You can check that in indicator. It's free, I guess. So yeah, let's see what Soul is doing. I sold Soul around like 175. Looks really great, but like 4 hour momentum is already reset. But yeah, I would be really happy if we could do this for Soul. Like lot of leverages are currently in Soul right now, so if we could simply do this then up, that will be really great, you know, like cleaning up couple of lows. Okay, like possibly uh tag this 162 to 163 level. But yeah, if we simply just do this, then that will be really great for Soul, I guess, like longing in terms of like lower time frame. Okay, like this 4 hour like band is also we are retesting, but we are basically at the resistance right now, like we tag this resistance. Okay, but I was eyeing on this 194 highest. But yeah, I'll soon pick one more Soul long. Let me just see what 1 hour is doing. 1 second. This makes actually sense for one more uh Soul bottom. Sorry. uh, yeah, we tagged already EMA 100, but this would be really great, like chop around here, tag the imbalance, then go up. Because you know, like 4 hour momentum is already reset. Okay, so if we hold this, then that will be really great. Like we are not even breaking the trend, right? We are not even breaking the trend. This is the 34 EMA, and like this 34 EMA always works in terms of like when retesting the H4 trend, and that's my favorite EMA. So if we simply just tag the imbalance with 34 EMA and pump, that will be really great. Like momentum is reset, then we can have a one more rally. Okay, but yeah, but Soul have a lot of leverage, so I would really like one more flush, then simply just long. Okay, possibly one more flush, like at least a good nuke. Ina. Okay. Uh 1 second. I guess yeah, Ina was here. Yeah, we are basically going to that 50 RSI reset. I was not really like interested in Ina long because a lot of like copy traders are currently there for that you know, like Binance, well, 0x ENA. So yeah, I was waiting a little bit, but you know, like we are basically like resetting the daily momentum like 50 here. So yeah, it looks really great, but again, like I would be really interested if we could simply just hold this $0.4 level. But yeah, we'll see. 1 second. this would be interesting. Like this would be really interesting. Okay, like sweeping here, moving into that 4 hour demand zone. This would be interesting. Like, sorry, yeah. But again, like you want this 50 RSI reset, okay, then only you will be interested. Like wait for this 50 RSI reset, then only the chart will show you, okay, that this is basically bottoming out right now. But again, like these like all these alts would be fucked if we have any kind of like Bitcoin dump, okay. If we have any kind of like Bitcoin like nuke, all these alts are fucked, okay. So yeah, be careful longing all the alts, because I'm not interested in any kind of like alts right now, okay, like apart from like Sol and Sol basket coins, but yeah, also ETH. But like longing, what I already told, this is the fair value gap candle, fair value gap by Anke. You can simply just search the indicator, okay. So yeah, if we like if you're longing alts, then be careful, because with Bitcoin, if Bitcoin like dumps right now, like no, like not like all these like support level will break, okay. Like we are very close to like bottoming out in some of the like good alts right now, like Tau. Let me show you. Yeah, Tau is basically close to bottom, but like yes, like last stream I was talking about this 50 RSI reset, but like this momentum is looks fucked. So yeah, like a lot of alts are basically on the verge of like losing their like HTF support right now. Even Sui looks really fucked right now. Like this like we are basically back to like 1.8 support. Saga looks fucked right now. Like a lot of alts actually lost their like momentum. They are basically losing their daily momentum. Also yeah, Pepe is also like back to this 0. Like 0.0091513, but again this daily momentum looks again fucked. A lot of like all these alts looks really like bearish right now, and it's just like one more Bitcoin dip, like one more Bitcoin dip, and these will like get one more new candle, okay. Same for Saga. Yes, Saga looks completely bearish for me. Like look, we like lot of momentum is currently there. Like we basically like lost the 50 level, so lot of momentum is currently there. Like we rallied for like how long? Like do you see like this like imbalance will filled, this imbalance will be filled. Like if we do not really reclaim back 2.4, then we are feeling this, okay. And also Saga support is around 1.74, not here, okay. You need Saga to flip this 2.4 level, okay. Even Popcat as well. Like I was not really expecting this high. I was expecting one more low, but again Popcat looks really great. But this daily candle, and yeah, I don't really like it. Like lot of alts actually providing great short setup right now. So I don't think like you are fine longing all these alt strip before this momentum reset, okay. Like Popcat is a great long soon, because I'm really waiting for this 50 RSI reset, because once we do this, like once we reset this thing, you will not have such type of like choppy price action, okay. You can simply just target this $2 level. And when people are talking about that, like all these memes are dead, all these memes are dead, that's when you really want to long, okay. So yeah, also like I'm just simply talking about like my higher time frame thoughts, okay. Like couple of like the leaders, all like you all know, like Sui, Saga, and Tau are the three leaders, okay. These leaders not really looking great. Like I was really interested in buying the Tau dip like around here, but this like this momentum does not really like, it's not really looking really good, okay. We could simply do this like little bit of lower, possibly like reclaim 500 level. then up. But yeah, apart from that, you really want Bitcoin to hold this. Okay, like as long as Bitcoin hold this, these also will hold. Okay, HTF 3 drives on Popcat. Let me see. We have a 3 drive. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, classic. This classic. This is a classic bearish divergence. Like these 3 drive, you should not be like longing like against these type of 3 drive. Okay, because these 3 drive always like mark possibly like 20 to 30% dip from highs. Like how many dip right now? Yeah, 15% like already, possibly more to go to reset this daily. Once we reset this, then yeah, then you're fine. Okay, then you are fine. But unless and until this your like this daily reset is done, wait for the momentum reset. Okay, before longing like these type of like longing against these type of 3 drives. This is a classic. Like this is the classic. Like I would have shorted like full risk if I have seen this. I was busy in trenches. Trenches are like amazing, you know. Like they are really good. Undefeated daily beer dips. Yep. Lot of like I can show you like lot of like beer divergence are there. Like even Sui had a nice beer divergence here. Okay. Like completely the momentum was completely like lost around here. Pepe does not look great. But yeah, like if we have that ETH rally, Pepe is coming back to the support. Okay, like this 91513 level is very like high time frame support. 1 second. Like we are basically sweeping couple of lows as well. uh 1 second, let me just see. I guess yeah, for Pepe we are basically at the lows. Like I thought like we have one more like uh lows for like Pepe. So yeah, you want Pepe to hold this level. Okay, like if we tag this, you want Pepe to hold this level for at least one more try to break this trend line. There is a reason why I draw Pepe this trend line. Okay, do you know why? Because remember, all the market trades like really in a different way. Okay, and I have backtested this. Okay, I have really backtested this. For Pepe, this type of trend line always works, and you do not get a really nice retest. Let me just show you. Like this. Like either you will have liquidation candle before the breakout or like or not. Like you see, like we have this liquidation candle. Okay, we tried this breakout, little bit of retest up. Like this type of like breakout in Pepe always works. Like once the like people pile in around here, wait for this flush to happen like this, then you simply just long. So understand the market that you are actually trading. This, you know, like we had this liquidation cascade simply up. So like how do you understand that this breakout always works? Okay, you cannot really understand. Okay, because like this breakout will 100% be successful or not, because here it works, here it also works, but again like here it also works, but again you have this trap. Okay, so if you long here having stop loss here, you're already stopped out, you're already liquidated. So there is a reason why this type of like trendline breakout always works, but it's kind of tricky. Like always works. Let me just show you. For Pepe only, I'm just talking about Pepe only. You will have this type of liquidation candle, then you will see this type of candle. So this is the reason why I'm waiting for Pepe a little bit of lower, because of this candle. You want to be in this candle. Okay, then you can simply just ride here as well. Even I can show you here as well. Like I have traded all this like this market before. 1 second. Yeah, I guess July 23. No, Let me, I think, what was that? Like we had a nice range. Okay, maybe this is 4 hour time frame. That's why I'm forgetting. But I guess this range only. This was the range, I guess. Yeah, this one, I guess. Like we had a 1 hour like trend line breakout from here as well, and I was long around here. So for Pepe, always like understand that, always remember like these type of like breakout is really like always works in Pepe. We will have some type of like fuck up around here, but always try to get in this type of like liquidation candle. Okay, so that's why I'm waiting for like here. If we get such type of liquidation candle around here, like a nice little wick like this, then it's easy to ride because you have clean like trend line around here. So also sorry, also like equal highs around like 132 also. Okay, so I'm waiting for little bit of uh choppy price action. Like we will tag this support level, one more liquidation week, get buyback, fuck up around here, then boom. This is the trade I want to take. Okay, along with EBTC. Goat, uh goat, I'm not really looking at goat, but I have some other alts. Say okay, I will just chart the SCRT that guy was talking about like since a long time. I guess you're over leveraged right now, right? That's why you're asking me. SCRT secret network, right? SCRT USDT. Okay, let me just see. Mm, like why are you long SCRT out of all the coin? Like this chain is fucked. This chain is fucked. Like Cosmos chain is fucked right now. No volume in this, and you have all these wicks. Mm, 1 second, let me. Oh my god. I mean, why on earth you are longing this? Which chart is this? Like, are you mentally well, brother? Daily trend break. Let me see what daily trend break is there. Do you really have a daily trend break? Bro, there is no daily trend break. This is not a daily trend break. Okay. Let me show you what is their daily trend break looks like. This is what you want to see. Like choppy price action, huge candle up, does not really retest the daily trend unless and until a couple of days. You want to long here at the retest. A breakout which retest the trend instantly is scam. Okay, like this is scam. Like this is basically like in a choppy phase, like no volume is there. In terms of like all the bullshit city influencer, they will say this is accumulation phase. This is accumulation. Fuck off with your accumulation. This is basically there is no volume in there. So if you really want to long a coin or buy a coin which basically chop around like chop like this, you want a huge candle like up, then all this like daily trend will be like this. Okay, and you do not want your coin to retest instantly. Okay, you want the breakout to hold. Okay, you want this all this EMA band to catch up to the price should not catch up to like all this EMA instantly. Okay, it should simply just chop, retest, then go. This is where like how you simply just buy spot like breakout. Okay, I mean, I'm just speaking facts, okay? Don't get me wrong. Like this is how people should trade, okay? Like you cannot be serious like longing this type of like move, okay? Like buying all like obviously. Like I don't know like how other people trade. I trade like this. Okay, I'm a momentum trader. I want to see like momentum to like price like going up, daily trend like EMA catching up. That's how I simply just trade. Okay, so yeah, like you will have like clean like you know like what do you want? Like do you really want to sit on a trade that will take 10 days, or you want to be in a trade that actually works in 15 minutes or 20 minutes, right? So when you have such type of moves, you will always have these type of like daily like 200 EMA above. This will be the like resistance, right? So you will always have a gap fill type of move. Okay, so like let's say price moving like this, okay, and EMA catching up, you take a trade like on the retest of the EMA, and you will have uh to target the daily 200 EMA. Okay, maybe possibly like the stop loss below the daily trend. Okay, this is the trade you should focus. Okay, I will let me just see. This is right. Not really looking good. Always remember for this type of like new listing, I don't know if it's new listing or not, always do this. Okay, 1 second. Man, where is this? What the fuck? Yeah, this is called anchored view up. Okay, so once you anchor the view up to the listing candle, this will become the listing anchor view up. 1 second, just give me 2 minutes, I'll be back. I'm getting a call. 1 second. All right, so yeah, so this is basically called the listing anchor view up. Okay, so whenever you have such type of like new listing, always remember to pull the anchor view up like this, and you simply just wait for market to flip this listing anchor view up, then it's easy long. Okay, unless and until like market flips this listing anchor view up, I don't think like it's like wise to touch this type of market. Okay, like you will have momentum whenever we flip this listing anchor view up. Okay, it's simple. Okay, and of course like these retest always provide like really nice short setup. What's next? uh Rune. Man, actually I forgot like this is a really nice short setup. I forgot to take. Like I have Rune back around like 4.8 level. But yeah, this like a lot of alts actually looking fucked right now. Like they're providing really nice short setup. How is Bitcoin looking? Oh wow, we are getting nuke. Not really nuke, but yeah. I would really like if we like clean all these lows, you know, like if we simply just clean all these lows back to like 60, 66, 450 level, that will be really great. Let me show this. Yeah. So like let's say we clean this, tag this 66450. That will be really like great scalp to take. Okay. Like considering we'll have a nice reaction around here. Okay. No, I don't really rely on indicators. I'm simply showing you guys the indicators because it's easy to explain. Okay, like you know like all my trades are basically based on discretion. Okay, but If I tell that, okay, I am taking a trade because my balls tingle or I am feeling it, you will not understand, right? So, whenever to explain someone in a very simplified way, in a very easy way, you can rely on couple of indicators so that the other person will understand it clearly. If I will show you, if I'll simply just go to this chart and show you like, okay, this is a ledge, this is value very high, this is value very low, all these are statistics of exocharts, you guys will leave this stream, right? Because you will not understand all these things, right? Like, what do you understand by ledge? By googling it, or by, if you simply just google it, what is the ledge in a market profile, then only you will understand. Okay, so to explain someone in a very simplified way, like easy to way, then that's the only reason I use indicators. But like otherwise I don't really use indicators. Like indicators are just for context, not for like entry TPSL. Where are we? So yeah, I would really like for a Bitcoin scalp, I would really like this these level to tag. Okay, like 66640 level to tag. That's when I would be like interested in like maybe one more scalp, like sweeping these lows. Okay, this low 66667, if we simply sweep these lows, then that I'll be interested in like longing into like possibly in weekend. Okay, like if we get any kind of like CME close nuke. Okay, also I heard there is some war news going on. I don't know, like I heard some war news going on, possibly like look for like Twitter. Okay, so yeah, this is like I'll be interested in joining you guys longing Bitcoin if we do this. Uh, Sorry, 1 second. Uh, this is 66637, right? Mm, yep. This. I'll be interested if we do this. Like clean the lows into here. Okay. 66440. That will be really great. Like for a scalp at least. For to hold into the weekend. Okay. Let me see what else. Yeah, this chart looks really great. Okay, because you know, like every time I hear about like big time, it will be always at top. Like whenever I see a tweet regarding Bitcoin, it will be all like sorry, big time, it will always be at here. Okay, so like this coin is one of my favorite coin to like hedge in terms of like sentiment wise, because like every time it touches like these type of highs, like at least here, you will be see this open interest getting like spiked up. Like I don't know like who is market making this, possibly DWF, but I don't think this is the DWF chart. But yeah, like this is very scammy coin. Okay, so like I always like such type of like scammy move to like take scalp shot. Like you will always see like whenever coins like hitting a supply zone like this. Okay, like this, even here as well. Okay, like these chart always like gold for like scalpers. Okay, so you'll see like a lot of like short liquidations around here, lot of short liquidations around here, lot of short liquidations around here in a row. Okay, and this is basically a really nice like scalp always. Okay, like I don't know who is like market making this, but a lot of crime is currently happening. And you will see like possibly in weekend also, you will see it will simply just chop around here, one more spike, then again down. Okay, like simply just slow bleed. This is the example of like low liquidity conditions. Halloween event going on in big time, people buying to craft NFC. Seriously? I don't know. But yeah, like a lot of scam is currently going on in this. Prime. Prime is one of my only gaming coin I held before. This is the coin that you're talking about, right? Uh, I had a prime bag around here, okay, 4.143. I held to 10.963. Possibly this, I guess I sold around this $12 level before this rally. So yeah, I'm a great paper hand. Like only thing I don't like about Prime is this. Like the momentum is completely like towards the downside, okay? So like weekly chart, this is the Prime chart you're talking about, right? Yes, okay. So for higher time frame, I don't like this momentum, okay? Like weekly, always like before buying, always look at the weekly chart for any kind of alts that you look. Like if the like momentum is looks like this, like meh, like I'm like not really interested in like weekly, but daily looks like possibly bottoming out. But yeah, you can, one second. I mean, it's at no man's land right now, but yeah, uh, like maybe one more low with a like bullish divergence, that will be great. But yeah, currently it's at no man's land right now. Okay, so you want like for any kind of like gaming kind of narrative, always understand that for any gaming narrative, it's always at the end of the market. What are you gonna do with grass? Sell? What will you do? So yeah, possibly look for like this $6.6 retest, because it has been like quite a level of support for Prime. So yeah, possibly one more dip towards this, then yeah, like if you want to take this trade from 6 to 9 or possibly $11, because $11 has been this crucial resistance for Prime, okay? So yeah, wait for maybe one more flush to buy around like 6.632, then yeah. Let's see how JTO looks. Oh wow, one more fuck you candle. This chart is like literally, I don't know. But yeah, it's kind of like looks okay. Like possibly if we do this going into weekend, but like I really don't like this type of like wicks to the upside, okay? Like there are better alts to like at least trade. How does Zwift looks? Nah. All these alts looks really Stop, bro, don't look at JTO. But yeah, all these alts looks completely fucked, There is a reason why. Let me, I guess, like, let's see how BTC dominance looks. Oh, so we tagged 59.34 also. So yeah, remember last stream when people said that alt season is going whatever, like what did I say? Like Bitcoin dominance will not top unless and until we are going like end of year. Okay, like last stream I said, don't even talk about Bitcoin dominance top. Okay, this is simply a daily trend reset. Do you see? Like we simply just like filled this inefficiency. Like, don't get me wrong, I hate chatting this coin like this metric, but it works. Okay, like I completely hate this metrics. I don't understand how it works, but it works. Okay, so yeah, like this Bitcoin dominance don't call top like unless and until we are going into like end of year. Okay, like last stream people told me that okay, this is the like this is the alt season that everyone is waiting for. October is here and all those stuff. But yeah, we are basically breaking one more high. Okay, so the alpha is wait for like end of year, like around like last week of the year and like first week of the next year. This is when like Bitcoin dominance like likely to be topped. Okay, like you can see, like you can backtest, like we have very small sample size but it works. 4 January 2021, also like 2nd January 17 as well, 4 December 17 as well. So yeah, I don't know like how it works, but it works. Okay, so don't uh have a thesis that alt season has been gone and all those stuff. Okay, did we nuke Bitcoin? Nice. So yeah, basically back to my trade level, right? So you really want this level to hold. Okay, like 66450 level. You really want 66450 level to hold, or else like game over. Like we have a really nice low currently. So yeah, like wait for like long liquidations, I guess. 1 second. Like wait for long liquidations right now and tag up this 66450. Possibly like scalps somewhere, like if we simply like if we react really well around here, then yeah. USDT FUD. Do we really have one more USDT FUD? Seriously? Man, you guys are not really tired or what? Like, what? USDT FUD. All this FUD is like pointless. I mean, looks really nice, you know, like if we am talking about like going into support like with all this FUD, that's really nice. What do we have here? Yeah, soul back to our support level. You really want soul to hold this. Like you don't really want soul to like back below this 163 level. So this is a nice level. So if we have like little bit of like choppy price action with momentum reset and LTF structure break, easy to long. Okay. US Treasury has considered sanctioning Tether. Ignore all this, man. Ignore all this. This is bullshit. Anyway, 1 hour is over. I guess it's time for some fun. Look for Bitcoin around 66450 level, like 450 to like for 500 level. If you really want to long Bitcoin, that level needs to hold. Okay, or else possibly like maybe come back on Monday. And also Sol, this current level, always watch like this current level needs to hold. Okay, because like this is a really nice level for Sol right now, like front running this key daily support, like key daily SR level for Sol to hold this higher low. This is really great, like this is really necessary for Sol to hold this level. Like if we tag or if we or else if we simply just go like little bit of lower sweeping, like if we are going for like little 163, then possibly I would really like the all these lows to be cleaned. Okay, like all these lows to be cleaned. Like if we clean all these lows into like 160, that will be another buy. Okay, but yeah, for scalp this level needs to be hold. Okay, no, because I don't really like Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin needs to like hold 66450 level. Okay, last start of the stream. I mean, why are you long this coin? Maybe. I mean, this coin is such a weird chart right now. Hmm. Let me see. Hmm. So what you want is these low protections, like as we are protecting all these previous lows. So if you really want to like buy this coin, okay, like I don't know if we are currently in long or not. Like if you're currently long, then god's like save you. But yeah, this would be really like great trade to take, okay, for like if you want to like long boom, okay, like cleaning all these lows, tagging the like higher time frame support, then yeah, okay. Bitcoin, yeah, 500. But yeah, that's it. That's it for today. Hope you guys are like having fun, and of course, don't get liquidated, because you know like we will have such type of like weird like volatility event before going into the like elections. So don't really lose your hard-earned money before you have like easy full-fledged bull market. Okay, so yeah, have fun, don't get liquidated. Bye bye. I'll see you guys maybe on Sunday, okay? Have fun. Bye.